Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Andersen sliding door lock is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your home security. Sliding doors, while offering convenience and aesthetic appeal, can be vulnerable points of entry. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Andersen Sliding Door Lock, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a top choice for protecting your home and loved ones. Number 5. Andersen Tribeca Style Gliding Door Thumb Latch. Introducing the Andersen Tribeca Style. This is a stylish and functional addition to any home. It's designed to enhance both the look and feel of your space. The gliding door thumb latch is easy to use and provides secure closure. It ensures smooth operation and adds convenience to your daily life. This feature makes it a great choice. The stone color finish complements various architectural styles. Its neutral tone blends seamlessly with any decor. It is a perfect choice for a modern look. This combination offers both beauty and functionality. It is a perfect choice for those seeking a blend of style and practicality. You will love it. This product is a perfect combination of style and functionality. It is designed to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal while providing reliable performance. It's a great choice. What we like. This thumb latch design offers a sleek and modern look. The stone color finish seamlessly blends with various door styles. If you are looking for a stylish and easy-to-use lock to complement your patio door, you should consider this. What people say. Exact match to the piece that broke on the patio door. Installation was under 2 minutes. Remove broken latch with 2 screws, install new latch with 2 new, color-matched and included, screws. It works perfectly and matched the finish perfectly. Number 4. Andersen Reachout Lock and Receiver Kit, 2-panel. This kit is designed to replace the Reachout locks and receivers on your gliding patio doors. It's a simple upgrade that enhances the security of your home. It is easy to install and provides a secure locking mechanism. This kit is compatible with PermaShield gliding, Narrowline gliding, and French wood gliding patio doors. It works with models manufactured from 1994 to the present. Make sure it fits your door before you buy it. This kit replaces older Reachout lock and receiver parts. The part numbers that it replaces are 257, 3558, 257, 3562, 256, 5507, and 256, 5509. This ensures that it will fit perfectly. The lock installs directly into the door panel. The receiver then hooks into the door jamb. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do. The Reachout lock style pulls the door closed and locks it securely. This provides peace of mind knowing that your door is locked. It is a reliable and effective locking system. This kit is specifically designed for 2-panel gliding patio doors. It is the perfect solution for securing your 2-panel door. It is a great way to improve the safety of your home. What we like. This Reachout lock ensures your door is securely closed and locked. It's designed for easy installation into your door panel. If you prioritize security and a straightforward setup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The new latch fit perfectly, was easy to install, and now operates smoothly with a much more secure feel. This swapped out easily, and the door is back in action. Easy peasy install and now the door locks. Number 3. Andersen 199-7301 Auxiliary Security Lock, Foot Latch. This is the Andersen Auxiliary Security Lock, Foot Latch. It's designed to provide added security for your doors. This lock is a reliable choice for your home. The product comes in a clean white finish. It will easily blend with most door styles. This color choice ensures it complements your home's aesthetic. The lock has a length of 3 to 3/4 inches. This size is ideal for secure installation. It's compact yet effective in its function. The width of this security lock is 7/8 inch. It's designed to fit seamlessly onto your door. This ensures a secure and unobtrusive fit. The height of the lock is 1 to 5/8 inches. This dimension contributes to its overall robust design. It's built to withstand daily use and provide lasting security. What we like. This auxiliary security lock provides an extra layer of protection. The foot latch operation offers convenient and quick locking. If you have children or pets, or if you want an added layer of security, you should consider this. What people say. Genuine Andersen, works perfect with 400 series sliding door. It's really well made with heavy-duty cast metal housing. This deadbolt lock works great and is of metal construction and should last for many years. It fit my Andersen door perfectly as that is what it was designed for. Number 2. Andersen Tribeca White Thumb Latch. This is the Andersen Tribeca style thumb latch, designed for gliding doors. It's a replacement latch that installs on the interior of your patio door's operating panel. This latch is compatible with Narrowline gliding, PermaShield gliding, and French wood gliding patio doors. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing Andersen door system. This is a Reachout type latch. It's designed for easy access and operation from the inside of your home. The design ensures smooth and reliable performance. This latch is suitable for both 2-panel and 4-panel doors. Whether you have a smaller or larger patio door configuration, this latch will fit your needs. The package includes all the necessary fasteners for installation. You'll have everything you need to quickly and easily replace your old latch and secure your door. What we like. This Reachout latch is designed for easy replacement. It is compatible with various door models. If you have an older Andersen gliding door and need a reliable replacement, this is a great option. What people say. This latch is direct factory replacement for this door. The old OE needed replacement since it broke. This one is adjustable for clearance issues. Easy installation. Works as it should. Fit perfectly and easy to install. Great product. Does what it is supposed to do. No problems. Number 1. Andersen Tribeca Gliding Door LH, White Keyed Lock. This is a keyed lock assembly designed for the Andersen Tribeca gliding door. It's a left-hand exterior lock, and it comes with keys. This ensures security and ease of use for your French wood sliding door. The lock is specifically designed for the left-hand side of the door. This means it's built to fit perfectly and function smoothly. It's an exterior lock, providing security from the outside. The lock assembly features a white finish, which complements the door's design. It's designed to blend seamlessly with the door's aesthetics. The finish is durable and long-lasting. This lock comes with keys, providing an extra layer of security. You can rest assured knowing that the door is securely locked. It's a reliable solution for your home. This lock is specifically designed for French wood sliding doors. It ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. It's a great choice for your Andersen door. What we like. This keyed lock assembly provides enhanced security with the convenience of a key. It's designed for left-hand operation. If you value the added security of a keyed lock, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easily installed. Easy and works beautifully. I watched the YouTube installation video from Andersen and had this installed in under 15 minutes, including drilling the new holes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.